I'll show you what to do when your File Explorer on Windows is not responding. The first method is to restart the File Explorer through the Task Manager. You can right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, you can locate the File Explorer, the Windows Explorer, and right-click on the Windows Explorer to choose End Task. After the task is ended, choose the File tab and click on Run New Task. Now you can include Explorer.exe and click the OK button. Now the File Explorer can be restarted. The second method is to update the video driver, aka the display driver. To do this, you can right-click on the Start menu button and go to the Device Manager. Now expand the display adapters. Right-click on the video driver and choose Update Driver. Now here's a pop-up window. You can directly choose Search automatically for drivers and follow the simple instructions to update the driver. After the driver is updated, you can have a test and see how the Windows Explorer works. The next method is to change the display settings. Suppose the File Explorer not responding issue happens right after you changed the display settings. This method could be very effective. Now here's how to operate. And click on the Start menu button and open Settings. And choose System and choose Display from the left side panel. Now you can see the Scale and Layout section. Now you can change the size of the text, apps, and other items. Now this is the display resolution. Whatever the value is, choose the recommended one. Now after the display settings are changed, you can check the File Explorer and see how it works. Some Windows users reported that the File Explorer not responding issue can be repaired by clearing the File Explorer history. And here's how to do it. You can tap on the Windows search box and type in File Explorer options. Now choose the result to open the window. You can see the privacy section. Now you can tap on the clear button to delete the File Explorer history. After that, you can restart your PC and see how the File Explorer works. The File Explorer not responding problem could be caused by the no disk space. Therefore, you can free up the disk space using the Disk Cleaning Up tool in Windows. And here's how. Double-click on the Disk PC icon on the desktop and right-click on the System Drive and choose Properties. Now under the General tab, tap on the Disk Cleanup button. Now here's a new window pops up, and you need to pay special attention to the thumbnails as the accumulated thumbnails cache can lead to the problem. Now choose the files you want to delete and click the OK button to free up the disk space. If the File Explorer crashes every time you view the folder containing pictures or videos, this could indicate that there are corrupted images or corrupted thumbnail data, which causes the File Explorer not to respond. In this case, you can directly disable thumbnails, and here's how to do it. Double-click on the This PC icon on the desktop and ensure that this PC is selected. And now click on the View tab and click on the Options. Go to the View tab and now tick the checkbox of Always show icons, never thumbnails. After the option is selected, click Apply and the OK. The seventh method is rebuild the indexing. Indexing is the process of looking at files and other contents on your computer, allowing your PC to look at an index of terms to find contents faster. Some Windows users shared their experience about how to fix the File Explorer not responding issue by rebuilding the indexing. And here are the steps. Tap on the Windows search box and input indexing options. Now tap on the result to open the window. Now click the Advanced button. Now you can here's a Rebuild button. Tap on it to rebuild indexing and click the OK button. After that, restart your PC and see if the issue is fixed. The File Explorer not responding issue could be attributed to the corrupted system files in your computer, so you can run the System File Checker tool to check for problems with your computer. Now you can follow the steps below. Tap on the Windows search box, type in CMD and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window pops up, type in SFC and scan now. Now you can directly hit the Enter key on your keyboard to let the System File Checker scan your hard disk for corrupted or missing system files, and this tool will try its best to fix them. Do you remember the last time your Windows File Explorer worked normally? And the System Restore feature on Windows is the feature that allows you to revert your Windows computer to a previous working state. Hence, the File Explorer issue is expected to be solved. And here's how to do it. Tap on the Windows search box and type in Create a Restore Point. Now choose the result to open the window. Now you can see here's a System Restore button. You can click on it. Now the wizard pops up. choose a different restore point and click Next. Now here's the place where you can select a restore point and select the restore point you want and tap on the Next button to follow the simple instructions to complete the system restore.